Hello, hello, hello. It is time for another update here at Kings Island, behind all the trees, as always. It's been a couple weeks since our last video that we've shot down here. The last one we filmed was Coaster Stock Days 1 and 2. I have seen on the internet that there is a lot that has happened in those 2 weeks that we've been here. So we will give you an update on the construction site on the old Firehawk land. And the next thing that's supposed to happen after Coaster Stock is the Grand Carnival is supposed to be coming here. So it'll be interesting to see if anything's here on site. And yeah, and I know there's Whitewater Canyon's open now for the season, and Soak City's open for the season now, so we'll see you guys in the park. And before we enter the park, you can see this nice little display up front displaying Grand Carnival from June 15th to July 7th. It includes a parade, party, and pageantry. One new thing that we can notice is that all the entertainment options are now open, and as you can see here, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday, the Gravity shows at 3, 5, 7. Saturday at 1:30, 3:30, 5 o'clock, and 7 o'clock. And there's no shows on Wednesdays. Well, we all know what we're doing now. Time to go up top and see what's new. Alright guys, so we made it up to the top of Eiffel Tower, and as we can see, there is some work going on. So we're going to take a look closer here in a second. As we can see, a new building's been put up on that concrete pad behind Blue Racer Station, and there's some digging and everything going on back on the old Firehawk land. And also from the top we can see the floats for Grand Carnival. And also from up here we can see that the employee dorms are almost near completion. They should be taking their first housing residence here soon. And nothing new back here with the former Firehawk fence to see. And Whitewater Canyon is now open for the season. And the ivy archways are slowly growing back in as well. With Whitewater Canyon open for this season, we get good shots like these. Back here behind the all-new Miami River Brew House, we have some all-new furniture And it looks like they're going to have live fires going on during the evening for guests to sit around and enjoy. And a look at the all-new daytime fountain show. Well guys, that is going to conclude this update. The work done on the old Firehawk land is looking more and more interesting every day. I'm excited to see what Grand Carnival brings to the nighttime atmosphere of the park. As you can tell by the footage in this update, there are some floats that we can already see that have been uncovered. So that's going to be fun. Just to recap, Whitewater Canyon's open for the season, Soak City is open for the season. I believe, I didn't get to ride the train today, but I know before Coaster Stock I had rode the train and they were cutting out the old stairs for Rendezvous Run, the mat racing slide. So, and I believe that got some new stairs on it. So yeah, it's pretty interesting going around the whole park. As always, if anything breaks, construction-wise, or anything with whatever's going on at the park, we will be sure to let you guys know. So if you are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram at Matt Killian Media. We will see you guys later. Thank you for watching.